Hi friends, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of a star strap for bags. This video is dedicated to you friends. So let's go. Start the slip knot, then crochet an odd number of chains. Insert your hook in second chain, then make a single crochet, back loop only. Make a single crochet in each stitch, back loop only. I crocheted my first row, chain 3, turn your work, insert your hook in second chain and pull up loop, insert your hook in third chain and pull up loop, insert your hook in same stitch, back loop only and pull up loop, insert your hook in next 2 stitches and pull up loop, back loop only. You'll have 6 loops and your hook yarn over, pull through all 6 loops, chain 1, insert your hook in last chain and pull up loop, insert your hook in this loop of star and pull up loop, insert your hook in same stitch and pull up loop, insert your hook in next 2 stitches and pull up loop, back loop only. You'll have 6 loops on your hook yarn over, pull through all 6 loops, chain 1, insert your hook in your last chain and pull up loop, insert your hook in this loop of star and pull up loop, insert your hook in same stitch and pull up loop, insert your hook in next 2 stitches and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through all 6 loops, chain 1 and keep going. At the end of the row, make a half double crochet in next stitch, these 2 loops, chain 2, turn your work, make 2 half double crochets in this 1 chain of star of my previous row. Please crochet only in the chain of the star of the previous row. Once more, crochet 2 half double crochets together. In the chain of the star of the previous row. Keep going. At the end of the row, make your 2 half double crochets in last star, then make a half double crochet in last stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn off. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please share its link with your friends. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Your suggestions can help me a lot. Thank you for watching and for your time. I'll be back very soon with more educational videos. Catch you later.